How to turn on or off active status on Facebook web version. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch a web browser. Click search bar, type in facebook.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you log into your account using your Facebook credentials. Now go to Messenger icon at top right. Click three dots and from this menu click Active Status. Currently it has been turned off. To turn it on, toggle the button on. Now click on Save button. You can even active status and make it on for some and off for some. Now in order to turn off active status on Facebook web version, again go to three dots at top right and click on Active Status and turn the button off and click on Save button. And that's how we successfully turn on or off active status on Facebook web version. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.